Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a sunset eye look for you guys using orange, red, and yellow. I'm going to be using the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Cher. It looks like this. And then I'm also going to be using the Androgyny palette by Jeffree Cher, and it looks like that. Whoops. Perfect. We're going to start off with priming our eyelids using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. If you guys don't have this paint pot, you can also use concealer and just prime your eyelids with it. This will neutralize any darkness on your eyes and the colors will pop more. So I just finished priming my eyelids. I'm going to be taking the Conspiracy palette. I'm going to be using the shade Cheese Dust. It's the orange one right here. I'm going to be taking it on a fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to blend it into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take the Androgyny palette and I'm going to be using the shade right here. It's an orange shade. It's called Charm. It's more of a dull orange. If you can see, it's that one right there. I'm going to be blending this in here up to the brow bone, just so it transitions nicely when I put like a more neutral shade in the brow bone. And I'm going to be using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm just going to be taking it on another fluffy brush and just going to be putting it right underneath my brow bone. I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used with the Androgyny shade. Just going to blend that out. Perfect. And I'm going to be using a smaller blending brush. Just going to be taking the shade Flaming Hot. It's the red shade right here from the Conspiracy palette. I'm just going to be putting it into just right underneath the orange shade that we put in before, and then also blending it into the outer V. I'm going to go back in with the other blending brush that we used for the orange and just going to deepen that orange shade a bit more. Okay, so now that we've gotten the orange, the red, and then the dull orange on our eyes, I'm going to be cutting my crease with the same brush that we used to prime our eyelids. Now I'm going to be using just a concealer. You can use any concealer. It's going to be a half cut crease, so I'm going to be cutting it from here to about there. So I cut the crease, and now I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's called Food Videos. It's a neon yellow shade. So I'm going to be putting it on the inner corners. And I'm going to go in with the blending brush that we used for the orange. I'm just going to be taking that right here, in the center of the eyelid. And I'm going to go in with the blending brush that we used for the Flaming Hot shade, the red one. Putting it in the outer corner. And you guys don't need the Conspiracy palette to do this look. You can just use any bright orange, red, neon, or even just a yellow shade. I didn't have like a different yellow shade, so I just had to use this one. Yep, and you can achieve this look. Perfect. I'm going to clean up the under eyes with a makeup wipe. Perfect, so I just moisturized my face. I'm going to go in with the True Fiction color corrector to color correct my under eyes. Just a little bit right there. And some right over here as well. So I'm using my ring finger to blend that in. So I just finished color correcting. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 220. I'm going to be dotting it all over my face using the back of my brush. I'm going to be blending it all in with the BH Cosmetics blending brush. So I'm going in circular motions. Okay, so I just put foundation all over my face, and I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade 122. So I'm going to be putting it under my eyes. So I just finished concealing my face. I put it on my forehead in a triangle, under my eyes in a triangle, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and under my cheekbones. And I'm going to be blending all that in with the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 20. I'm just going to be baking my under eyes. Now I'm going to be contouring my face with the SmashBox contour kit in the shade light medium, and I'm going to be using this brush right here and just me taking the bronzer and just bronzing up my face. Now I'm going to be putting the Physicians Formula blush on in the shade Rose. Oops, I put way too much on. That's okay. I like to brush off my baking in the end, so just in case this happens, I can just like put powder all over it and make it better. I'm going to be using the Stay Matte powder again in the shade Sandstorm. It's number 4. Now I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star highlight in the shade Uranus, and I'm going to be using a SmashBox highlighting brush. This is a contour brush actually. Just a little bit right over here. Okay, now that we're done the face, I'm going to go back in with the eyes. I have to do the under eyes, I have to do my brows, I have to do mascara, and I'm going to be putting on lashes today. So we're going to go back in with the Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to be taking Cheese Dust and Flaming Hot and putting that under my eyes using the same brushes that I used before. So we're going to be putting Cheese Dust, the orange one, all under our eyes, like this. And then I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and then I'm going to take the red shade and just focus it on the outer corners of the under eye. And we're going to join the outer corner from the top and to the bottom in a V. And now I'm going to fill in my brows using the Benefit Brow Pencil in shade 4.5. It's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So just finish the brows. I'm going to be using a eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies as fake eyelashes. I don't know if I'll be able to do that on camera though, so we will see. I'm going to be using the Clinique High Impact Mascara today. So I just finished putting on my eyelashes. It did take about 10 minutes for me to put them on. I'm going to go in with lips now. I'm going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Cher. Just going to be lining my lips. And then I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Crush. So I'm putting that in the center of my lips. I'm blending it out with my finger. That's the final look, guys. I open my hair. There. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see the eyes because they look really good there. So that's the final look. Close my eyes. So next time I'm not going to use concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to be using the same soft ochre paint pot or a different concealer because this one was getting really patchy when I was putting the neon shade in there. And overall, I really like it. I got my under eyes all nice. Really want to go out to the beach now. Oh, my lash is coming off. I used the Demi Wispies by Ardell, guys. Okay, I'm going to do a little side to side for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!